Welcome to DIY Future project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. This module highlights the importance of woodworking, combining creativity, precision, and sustainability to equip participants with a timeless, versatile skill. It introduces core elements such as sustainable practices, repair techniques, and upcycling, emphasizing the value of woodworking in reducing waste and promoting a circular economy. Participants will explore potential job paths within woodworking, including carpentry, furniture making, and wood restoration, fostering an understanding of diverse career opportunities and necessary skill sets. Through hands-on activities, participants will learn the fundamentals of working with different types of wood, including soft woods, hard woods, and engineered and reclaimed wood, helping them choose the best materials for various projects. The module promotes creativity and self-reliance, allowing individuals to build confidence in their ability to design, craft, and maintain wooden structures and items independently, preparing them for future DIY and professional projects. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.